Hi guys, have you all completed your BAF and now looking for the next possible course that you can do to upskill? You've come to the right video. In this video, I'll hopefully be able to answer which courses you should look at ideally post completing your BAF. Hi guys, I'm Rushal. I'm in the academics team here at Zell Education, and we train thousands of candidates every single year in a lot of accounting and finance courses such as ACCA, CPA, CMA, CFA and Diploma in IFRS. Guys, if this is the first time that you've come to our channel, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing so that way YouTube will push this video out to more students such as yourselves. If you're a regular viewer of ours, thank you so much and we really appreciate the support. Secondly, we want you to experience the Zell learning management system. So we'll leave the link for that in the description box below. You can have access to various courses that we offer. Go through them, assess for yourself and hopefully make a better decision. Okay guys, now jumping into the topic, what are the different courses that you can pursue after completing your BAF? So guys, BAF is one of the most flexible undergraduation qualifications out there. BAF trains you in a plethora of different subjects, be it accounting, be it finance or be it business. Now this in particular opens the door for you to all four courses: ACCA, CPA, CMA and CFA. Now how do you plan this out? Guys, now we're going to talk about the different courses that are available for you in a little more detail. So let's start off with the US CMA. Guys, with the US CMA, you can complete this course within 6 to 8 months. There is no exemptions available for you. However, there is just 2 exams that you need to appear for. Each exam consists of 6 units that you need to give, not one at a time, but all at once in 2 separate exams. The exam format is mostly MCQs followed by 2 essay style questions that you have to answer. Now the good thing about CMA and why you might choose it if you're still in your undergraduation is because of the duration in which you complete it. So you can potentially have a professional qualification from the United States before you graduate. If you're a graduate, there is better qualifications out there for you. However, CMA still remains a very strong candidate in the pool of different qualifications that you have. Let's talk about ACCA. So guys, if you're a qualified BAF student, you will get approximately 3 or 4 exemptions when it comes to ACCA. So the first level of ACCA, which is the knowledge level, is exempted for you. This will leave you with either 8 or 9 papers that you need to appear for depending on the different subjects you had in your BAF. However, it leaves you with 8 or 9 papers. These 8 or 9 papers can be completed by you in a period of 1.5 or 2 years depending on how many exams you're willing to give at once and what your other commitments are. The beautiful part about ACCA is once you complete the second level of ACCA, which we call the skill level, what you can do is you can start applying for roles in different companies and you can start working by the time you get to the third level of ACCA, which is the professional level, and this in turn will allow you to have your work experience in place in order to get your ACCA membership. Just like CMA, ACCA also has a lot of overlapping concepts with BAF. So when students ask us which is the preferred qualification that you should pair up with an ACCA, our usual recommendation to them is either a BCom or a BAF. So this is a combination that will work out well for you. However, there is one additional tip I can give here. If you're still pursuing your BAF, do not wait for the exemptions. They don't make that much of a difference. You can get the first level out of the way in a matter of months. Guys, moving on to the third qualification which I can suggest to you, and that is the US CPA. So guys, the US CPA eligibility is such that you would need 3 years of your graduation, which you will have through your BAF, and you might need an additional year of MCom or an MBA, or you might need 1 year of postgraduate diploma. However guys, BAF, like I mentioned earlier, is one of the only degrees in this country that will allow you to write the examinations without having that 1 extra year. So guys, BAF covers a lot of accounting subjects, a lot of business subjects that will allow you to be eligible for your exam through a particular amount of states, which we will recommend to you. You get registered with that state, your eligibility is out of the way, you pass the exams, you start working, and post this you start pursuing an MBA somewhere in one of the top institutes in the country or globally. And this will probably be your roadmap for CPA. CPA on average will take you around 12 months or 14 months to complete if you're giving it the sufficient time. There is just 4 exams that you need to pass. The exam format is MCQs followed by task-based simulations, which are basically longer form MCQs, and written communication in the BEC paper or the Business Environment Concepts paper. Guys, my final recommendation to you would be CFA. Now, if you're someone who's really into finance, what you should ideally do is you should first start off small with a qualification like CMA, which trains you in finance, and then move on to CFA. However, if you're a graduate or if you're in the final year of your graduation, you are eligible to write your CFA exam, the first level of it. So this is again a viable option. CFA on average will take you 3 years to complete. There is 3 levels that you need to appear for. The first level is mostly MCQ based. The second level will have a few longer form questions. Guys, now just talking a little bit about the salary packages that you can expect if you manage to pair up your BAF with any of these, would range somewhere between 5 to 10 lakhs depending on what you pair up your BAF with, what profile you are, and the amount of work experience or other relevant skills that you're bringing to the table. Once again, guys, if you all have any questions, if there's any additional topics you want to cover or pair of qualifications that you want us to cover, please leave your suggestions in the comments below. We'll make sure that we make videos. Also, the number to our counselors is in the description box below. So if you have any further questions, you can also get in touch with them. Thanks for watching.